Welcome back to Echo to Fluency Shadowcast.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Bella.
Today, we're exploring natural English phrases that people use in everyday conversations.
Small changes can make correct English sound more relaxed and conversational.
Let's begin with 7 useful phrases you can practice.
I'm running a bit late.
I'm still figuring it out.
I see what you mean.
I'm with you on that.
I see it differently.
Could you give me a hand?
I'm tied up at the moment.
Now, let's look at how these phrases work in everyday situations.
Let's begin with being late. What would you say in a quick message?
Instead of saying, I am late, I'd say, I'm running a bit late.
That sounds relaxed and gives the other person a little warning.
What if you still do not know the answer to something?
You could say, I'm still figuring it out.
I like that. It sounds more positive than simply saying you do not know.
And when you understand someone's point, you can say, I see what you mean.
That does not always mean you agree with them.
Exactly. If I agree, I might say, I'm with you on that.
And if I disagree, I can say, I see it differently.
That keeps the conversation respectful, without hiding your opinion.
What about asking someone to help you?
Could you give me a hand? Sounds friendly and common.
I used that while moving a heavy table yesterday.
And when you are too busy to help immediately?
You can say, I'm tied up at the moment.
That sounds more conversational than saying you are not available.
It also gives a clear answer without explaining your whole schedule.
So those 7 phrases can fit many ordinary situations.
Let's practice 8 more useful phrases before we discuss them.
That's a bit pricey.
I'm not a fan of this.
I'm torn.
Can you walk me through it again?
I bumped into him.
I came across it.
This week is packed.
I feel a bit off.
Now, let's look at how the next 8 phrases are used.
If something is expensive, that's a bit pricey. Sounds softer.
I use that when I like something, but do not like the price.
And I'm not a fan of this is a gentle way to express dislike.
That could be about a film, a meal, or even a new office chair.
When you cannot decide, you can simply say, I'm torn.
I'm torn every time I choose from a dessert menu.
If an explanation is unclear, can you walk me through it again?
It asks the person to explain each step more clearly.
I bumped into him means you met someone unexpectedly.
While I came across it means you found something by chance.
Then, this week is packed tells people you have a lot happening.
And I feel a bit off is a simple way to say you are not feeling quite well.
These phrases make common thoughts easier to express in everyday speech.
Well done for completing today's lesson.
You do not need to memorize every sentence.
Listen again and notice which phrases feel most useful to you.
Say them out loud and let them become familiar.
See you in the next lesson.